In order to change your Facebook page name using your PC or computer, follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to go to facebook.com by launching your favorite web browser and then log into your account. And after that, you need to click on your profile picture in the top right corner. You will see all the profile. Click on See All Profiles and then choose the page you want to rename. After you log into your page, navigate to the settings. For that, tap on its profile picture and then go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Now from this settings page, scroll down and click on Page Setup, that is between Stories and Reels section. Once you do that, tap on your name in the top. You will see two different sections in the general page settings, that is your name and username. Now in the case if you want to edit your name, tap on Edit, delete your previous name and set a new one. After that, click on Review Change, and if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So click on Review Name, enter your password in this field and click on Request Change. And in the case if you want to edit your username, tap on Edit, simply remove the previous username, enter a new one and tap on Save Changes. Facebook will review your request, which may take up to few days, so your page must comply with the Facebook naming guidelines as well, and you cannot change your name too often. You also need admin access to request a name change. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.